Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, it's going to be very exciting because, first of all, we're going to jump into the charts. But today, I will be introducing a trading challenge with you guys. So basically, what I'm going to do is we're going to turn $500 into hopefully $100,000. So that is the dream. Let's see if we can do that. Perhaps we can do it even higher, but we may not be able to achieve it at all. But I wanted this to be a journey with you guys to see what's going to happen, and I wanted to put a meaning to all these TA videos. So after we do the analysis, and it's most of the time it's correct, we actually make some money together. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we will be doing this, and nothing in this video is financial advice. This is just for fun. And do your own research before deciding to get in onto any trade. But so cool. Now that I've shared that with you, let's get in. But before that, I want to show you guys this interview that I did with Victor from Cypher Capital. It was a podcast and it was brilliant. We talked about my background, how I got into trading as a 14-year-old. So I'll put a link to this in the description below. Make sure to check that out because it was a beautiful and very, very educational free podcast. So now we're going into TradingView and we're going to see what is up with the charts. So a lot of things have happened. We've come down all the way to $25,000. I think it was 2 days ago. So that's unbelievable. But this is what the daily chart is looking like. It's pretty not good. Okay. Obviously, we had this upward trending parallel channel, which we then broke out of and hit the target actually quite perfectly almost. So let's have a look where the target for that was. See, the reason why I'm doing this trading challenge is also for discipline. I want to discipline myself to actually be going into these trades, not by myself, of course, but you know, taking them, because look at this, we broke this parallel channel and we hit it perfectly, right? And that would have been with no leverage, right? Unleveraged, that would have been a crazy trade. As you can see, that would have been a 30% trade, and my stop loss would have been relatively low as well. After we've broken out, I would have put in it to break even. So this would have been probably with leverage. Perhaps, if I was risking like maybe $1,000, I wouldn't be too bothered by losing it. So I would probably do high leverage. If we did it with one Bitcoin at this stage, it would have been $37,000. So that's about 37. So call it 40x leverage. So that's going to be 30 times 40, which is 10. 3x, that's going to be 12x. So we would have made $11,000 right now with $1,000 if we took these trades. So from now on, I'm going to be doing this challenge to have discipline, right? So we can make some nice money together. So the way we're going to do this is with paper trading. So TradingView has this thing called paper trading, which I hooked up before this live stream, did a test position. So I'm going to walk you guys through it. So we have $500. This is fake, obviously. It's just demo account. But, I'll be taking these trades hopefully after by myself. No financial advice. Do your own research as well. So after doing it here, I'll go take it myself. So the commission settings, I want to walk you through some of the settings I made. So it's going to be 0.075% of the total trade, which is, I think, what Bybit takes on derivatives. So that's what I copied. So it's pretty fair. And yeah, basically we have $500 and I'll be doing this in every single video. So what does it look like right now? What are the charts telling us? Well, we want to zoom into lower time frames, of course. So in the 4-hourly time frame, we have something pretty interesting. Look, this trade was even, it's so annoying, man. We could have taken so many good trades, literally been up $11,000 right now with just this $1,000. So that was annoying, but it's okay because we got this. Look at this, right? This is a pretty good symmetrical triangle that has been forming on Bitcoin on the daily and 4-hourly chart. So what does this mean? Well, symmetrical triangles, they can either break up to the well, upside, or they can break down. And this one, I believe, may have a higher potential of breaking to the upside. And this would be our target right here. So this would be a target right here. This would be the target. And I can get rid of this trend line because we don't need that anymore. And this will be our great target. And that will give us a profit of unleveraged. Well, this is a good trade too. I can't complain. We might have missed that 30%, but if this goes true, well, then that's going to be a almost 15% trade to the upside with a risk to reward ratio of 3, which we can move to break even later on. So this is pretty cool. Again, unleveraged 15% is amazing. However, we do need to measure the risk of us potentially retesting back to $25,000, which is not great. So let's have a look at some of our indicators before doing anything. Well, the stochastic is actually crossing back to the upside. And our momentum, well, it is a bit high, and well, it's still continuing to go up. So that is pretty good news. Well, our RSI is about to go over the 50 line and is heading up. So that is also pretty good. So that is pretty bullish. We need more volume to come in though for this to be happening, and because it's the weekend, it tends to be a bit slow. So I want to just swing trade. That is my thing. I don't want to day trade because, like, look at this example, right? If I were to have traded this on the weekly time frame about 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, right, kept this as a well, actually 2 weeks ago, as a swing trade, not worried about the charts, not worried about anything. Because, when you swing trade, it's less worrying. When you day trade, you're always on the charts on your phone, you're looking, and it's very stressful. And then you can do dumb, stupid stuff. So, swing trading is more for me. And this is what I learned from experience. But it's okay. Opportunities come, they go, and then other ones come. So I'm not worried at all. So cool. Now, what it's looking is, well, we had a pretty severe correction on the weekly, right? We have not had one single up candle. So potentially, the next candle I'm seeing is it closes in 1 day and 6 hours. And again, when the weekend finishes, there's always more volume in the markets. So I'm hopefully by Monday, which is probably when I make the next episode, we will have a green candle. So, but on the daily, what's happening is there is consolidation. Now, although this is something I just saw now, right? So this is a bear flag, right? And if there's bearish momentum prior to this symmetrical triangle, then there's an increased probability that it will break further down to the downside, which is not good. So we can go to $16,000, or we can go to potentially maximum up to $39,000. Do we want to go to $16,000? Well, it doesn't matter for me, obviously, because I'll either be shorting or longing, but it will be bad. It will be very, 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 very bad if that happens, and a lot of people will be wrecked and liquidated. So let's have a look at the S&P before we make our final decision. And if I decide to change it, I'll inform you guys on Twitter. So make sure to check out my Twitter page, which I will put right now on the screen for you. So follow my Twitter and on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll be updating you guys over there. So beautiful. Let's jump back in. I need to share again. Sorry for that. Share screen, Brave window, and okay, there we go. We're back. So cool. Now this is the S&P 500. Well, right now what I can see is that's pretty good is that this candle is a very, very decent hammer candle that is showing that there's an exhaustion of sellers, and that we can potentially go back up to the upside. So this could happen, then we can potentially have a bounce to about $4,200, which is great. And if we look at our indicators as well, we're approaching oversold, about to head into buying opportunity. And because the stock market is correlated with the crypto market, this could mean that we will go to the upside. So, what I will do is I have come to my decision. I will be, um, because one more thing. Let's look at one more thing: the EMA ribbons and the volume profile. Um, we do have a lot of volume over here, so I do think that could be a bullish signal too. But the EMA ribbons, we're so below them, so there could be a potential. Look, our target is exactly retesting the EMA ribbons, so I do believe a dead cat bounce could be the scenario here. And super trend, oh my god, if we've had followed super trend, it would have been a crazy signal. Even if we followed the EMA ribbons, right? We could have shorted here and we would have still been on the short. You know, it wouldn't have been perfect timing at the top. But the thing is, right, it's timing the market, it's not important. It's about making profits. So yeah, I'm kind of feel like we're rushing this. But yeah, potential retest. I wouldn't want to rush this, to be honest with you, but a potential retest to the EMA ribbons is possible. Okay, so I would wait until the weekend. However, just to get this trade going, I will open a trade. Usually I would wait for the break of this symmetrical triangle to open the trade, but I don't have time, unfortunately, to do video potentially tomorrow. I will do an update on Monday, so we'll just open the trade right now. So it's going to execute the trade right now. We will do a buy. I don't want to do all of my position, to be honest with you. We can use leverage. Well, kind of here we can use it's paper trading, but we can trade with one Bitcoin, and I think it just automatically does the leverage. So if we were to buy in right now, that's going to be about $29,500 with $500. So let's do some quick math. $29,500 divided by 1,000. And that's going to be about, okay, so that's going to be about 29 and a half. I don't know why I needed the calculator for that. I just realized how simple that was. But 29 and a half x leverage. Obviously, we don't have liquidation. I think it doesn't show the liquidation price. So again, if you were to do this on an exchange, then you would be able to see. Actually, let me see if I can get Bybit calculator up on here. Let's see. I think I should be able to go to derivatives and then, no, I need to sign in. Anyways, it's okay. It's cool. So we got this. So we're going to go into next video. I promise I will be more put and I'll get some more cool stuff going. So we're going to do a buy. I always like to trade with one Bitcoin, right? That is the most beautiful thing. So we will go on a limit price to right now. Obviously, we can't wait because uh, if we wait, well, there has to be a bid and ask price, which I don't think I can see here. So, okay, we'll make the take profit $34,500, just below the the resistance line, and I'll make my stop loss. So we'll probably get out of the trade if we drop below here, if we just wick below $28,500. So I'll get out of this trade. So $28,500. We'll probably lose a bit of money. Yeah, we'll lose everything at this point. So maybe I won't go in with one Bitcoin. I'm going to go with 0.5 Bitcoin. And don't like that as well. 0.25 Bitcoin. Yeah, okay, you know what? I'm okay but with losing this. Am I? Look, we're still making about 3x at this point. So I'm going to go in with 0.2 Bitcoin. That's no problem. And we're going to press buy. and we have a position right now. If we look into the 1 hourly, I didn't want to open a position right now because there was a shooting star candle that projects a reversal. However, it could be a potential bull flag. That's a terribly drawn bull flag that could push us up to break. So, wow, okay, that's a big break, but that could be the potential. So, I have faith. We open the position, and if we check our paper trading account, we have orders that have not been filled, and luckily we have not filled it because um, we are below. No, what's the price right now? 462. So it will be filled once we hit that price, and I will let you know when it is filled. So that's pretty much it, guys. So we're in this trade. This is what I believe might happen. It was a bit of a longer video, but I think we did something pretty cool. So let me get back to you guys, and boom, 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 stop the share. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So sorry if this thing down was annoying, but thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found the content valuable, well, smash the like button and the subscribe button as well, and share this with your friends. And I want this journey to be together. So fully transparent here, doing what the chart says. Remember, no emotions, just follow your own analysis. Your analysis might be better than mine. And if you believe so, then follow your own, right? Do your own research. Because again, I was watching other YouTubers and then I realized my analysis was better than a few. So I just go on with my own analysis. So trust in yourself. That could be, that's a motivational quote right there. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you guys in the next market update video. Yeah, this part is awkward because it takes